Hey, what's up? I'm David. Welcome on David Suggest. Before watching this product, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell for not missing new video. So now, let's watch.
Nostalgia BSET300RETRORED Retro 3-in-1 Family Size Breakfast Station, Red. Large family size non-stick griddle. Coffee maker brews up to 4 cups of coffee at a time. Toasts up to 4 slices of bread at a time. Includes 30-minute timer with automatic shutoff. Removable oven tray and non-stick griddle for easy cleaning. Multifunction toaster oven bakes, toasts, and reheats food. Glass griddle lid with stay cool handle and cord length is 41.3 inch. Includes 30-minute timer with automatic shut off. 1500 watts. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
So thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.